Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad design. First, focus on selecting the freshest ingredients available. This is crucial for a delicious outcome. Think about incorporating a vibrant array of colors and diverse shapes to make your salad visually appealing. Strategic layering of components, like placing greens at the bottom and toppings on top, helps build a balanced flavor profile in every bite. Achieving balance is key to an exceptional salad. Aim to combine different flavor profiles such as sweet berries, savory nuts, acidic vinaigrettes, and slightly bitter greens. Introduce a variety of textures too, like crunchy croutons, creamy avocado, and soft cheese. A well-chosen dressing acts as the unifying element, bringing all these wonderful ingredients together and elevating their individual tastes. Presentation significantly impacts the dining experience. Arrange your ingredients artfully, perhaps creating small mounds or lines to make the salad look as good as it tastes. Utilize contrasting colors, like bright red tomatoes against dark green spinach, to make each element truly pop. A simple garnish of fresh herbs or a few edible flowers can add a sophisticated and professional finishing touch. To elevate your salad game, don't be afraid to experiment with unexpected ingredients, such as roasted fruits or pickled vegetables, for a surprising twist. Crafting your own homemade dressings allows for unparalleled customization and fresh flavors that store-bought options simply can't match. Remember, a great salad is a journey of discovery. For more great tips and to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.